Hi all, welcome to iPlanet. Do you know this? How to use guided access? Set up a guided access. Go to the settings, tap on accessibility and tap on guided access. Turn on it. Go to the passcode settings. Enter the passcode. Re-enter it again. From here, you can also turn on the Face ID or Touch ID as a way to end a guided access session. Now open the app that you want. On an iPhone 10 or later, triple click the side button. On the iPhone 8 or earlier, triple click from the home button. The guided access started. Now we want to end the guided access session. Again, triple click from the side button. Enter the passcode. In the top left hand, so the end option will be available. Click on it. Guided access ended. For more iPhone hacks, subscribe our page. Thank you.